In the modern era of software development, CI/CD is no longer optional. It is the nervous system of modern software delivery. Currently, there are two tools that dominate this landscape, and they are GitHub Actions and Azure DevOps. But here's the kicker. They are built with very different philosophies. Although integrated in many ways, they are still very much different. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down not just the features, but how these two tools think, what they are really built for, and which actually fits your workflow. No fluff, no BS. Let's dive in. The first thing we're going to talk about in the section of this video is the core differences. First up, we talk about integration. GitHub Actions, it's deeply integrated with GitHub. If your code lives in GitHub, it's the smoothest experience you get out of the box. On the other hand, Azure DevOps plays very nicely with GitHub, but also supports Azure repos, Bitbucket, and even more. So if you're using something outside of GitHub, maybe even a Git server under your desk, it gives you options and flexibility. The next one I'm going to talk about is the setup and user experience of using both of these tools. GitHub Actions, it's fast, like you're up and running in minutes. Fast, that is how fast it is. But with Azure DevOps, it is slower to set up, but it gives you enterprise-grade muscles under the hood. It might take you a couple of minutes, hours, days to set up and get used to it, but once you get the nick of it, you're pretty much in the zone. And talking about workflow design, GitHub Actions runs on pure YAML, flexible and lightweight. Azure DevOps, on the other hand, lets you choose between YAML and the visual editor if you're still living in the dinosaur age. So it's handy if your team includes people who prefer a UI, but generally, personally, I do not advise that. And let's even talk about the ecosystem and plugin options. GitHub Actions wins on community. There are thousands of actions in the marketplace created, curated, and shared by developers all over the world that you can plug into your pipelines and workflows and make it work seamlessly. Yes, we know that Azure DevOps also has good integrations too, but it's more curated for the enterprise folks. Now, security and secrets. GitHub, yes, lets you store encrypted secrets in your at repo or org level, simple and effective way. But then Azure DevOps steps that up with Azure Key Vault integration, secure variable groups, and even granular permissions for those secrets and variables that you're sharing. But let's zoom out a little bit. Let us look at the bigger picture. This is where things get serious. GitHub Actions for speed, Azure DevOps for scale. Yes, GitHub Actions is getting to the point where it's at enterprise scale level, but not quite there yet, I must really confess. So if you're solo or you're working with a small team on GitHub, you don't want friction, GitHub Actions gives you CI/CD without all the overhead. But if you work in an enterprise environment, multiple teams, compliance guilds, data approval flows, Azure DevOps gives you that control. Modern software delivery is not just about pipelines and CI/CDs. Azure DevOps gives you full project visibility, sprints, backlogs, work tracking, all built into one tool. GitHub gives you issues and projects, but it's way lighter than what Azure DevOps gives you. Let me make this really real for you. If you're a startup deploying to VMs or Azure Web Services or container instances, Kubernetes from GitHub, you use GitHub Actions. Simple YAML, tons of example, faster results. But if you work in a regulated financial firm across multiple environments, multiple teams with strict change controls, you will need Azure DevOps. It handles gated approvals, stage level permissions, and integrates cleanly with Microsoft's cloud and identity stack, which makes life very much easier, really. Trust me, it does. Maybe, just maybe you're somewhere in between. Let's say you use GitHub for source control, but want tight governance for your production deployments. In that case, you can actually use GitHub Actions for CI and off to Azure DevOps for the continuous deployment bit of things. Best of both worlds makes life easier. Now, the question you really want to ask me now is, who should use what? So I'm a developer, I just do my own stuff. What should I use? Or I work in an enterprise, so what should I use? I have no clue. I'm just starting off, but you're confusing me, Dara. Make this simpler for me. Yes, I'm going to do that right about now. So if you're a solo dev or an indie hacker, GitHub Actions, no context. Just go for GitHub Actions out of the box. Nothing beats that. Open source projects, GitHub Actions. It's where your community is. Startups running entirely on GitHub, stick with Actions. There's no point going Azure DevOps. It will grow with you, well, up to a point. If you're a medium business and you're scaling up, Azure DevOps starts to make more sense, especially if you're already into the Microsoft Azure, M365, Copilot, and all the rest. And if you're enterprise, if you're bigger than 250, 300, 500 staff, you want compliance, visibility, security, and control over your code, how you deploy them, and everything. That is Azure DevOps territory. It plays well for that. It is designed for that complexity. Now, my final verdict. Here is how I put it. GitHub Actions is your fast, agile sport bike, built for devs who want to move. Azure DevOps is your armored SUV, slow to maneuver, but bulletproof when you need to carry the whole team and stay compliant. So if your goal is rapid iteration, and GitHub-native automation, you go GitHub Actions. If your reality is audit trails, approvals, cross-team coordination, Azure DevOps is built for you. No BS, no fluff. Just use the tool that is right for the job. So it's not a case of this versus this. It's a case of this or that or this and that. That is what it is. Versus in this age of modern software development, it's not it again. It's a case of how do I bring all the tools together to make my work and life easier. Simple. That is it. So as a wrap up, let me know what you use and why you use it. Drop a comment below. If you got value from this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe, share with your dev team, your friends, your family, and let me know what you think in the comment section. This is Daryl Ladapo, helping you build faster and smarter. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.